Why do 90% of organic farmers swear by red clover? The answer might surprise you. Red clover isn't just another pretty plant in the meadow. This vibrant pink-flowered legume is a powerhouse in agriculture and medicine. For starters, it's a champion at fixing nitrogen in the soil, making it a superstar for boosting soil fertility naturally. This means healthier crops without synthetic fertilizers. A huge win for sustainable farming. But wait, there's more. Red clover's deep taproot helps it survive droughts, while its trifoliate leaves and colorful blossoms attract essential pollinators like bumblebees. And let's not forget its role as nutritious fodder for livestock, giving farmers a multi-purpose crop that's as versatile as it is valuable. In the world of medicine, red clover is making waves too. Traditional uses and modern research hint at its potential benefits for everything from easing menopause symptoms to supporting cardiovascular health. So whether you're a farmer, a gardener, or just a fan of nature, red clover is a plant worth knowing. It's not just a plant, it's a total game changer.